What's up guys, Josh here of Tech, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note series is without a doubt one of the most popular Android choices in the entry-level department. Now last year, the Redmi Note 8 lineup took the market by storm with over 10 million units being sold worldwide, and in just 3 months. Now that the Redmi Note 9 is out, let's take a quick look around and see what it has to offer. Out of the box, we get your necessary cables, the unit itself, a 22.5 watt charging brick, a free jelly case, and of course your usual paperwork. Just upon first glance, we can see that the Redmi Note 9 receives a complete design overhaul compared to its predecessors. A notable difference with this device is that instead of having a Gorilla Glass back panel, it has a glossy metallic-like polycarbonate finish instead, which looks pretty good. However, it is quite a fingerprint magnet, so don't forget to slap on that complimentary jelly case. The unit we have comes in midnight gray, but there's also a polar white and forest green color variant if you prefer that more. At the back, you can find the quad camera and the LED flash module located at the top center, followed by the more subtle-looking rear-mounted fingerprint scanner right underneath, and of course some Redmi branding at the bottom. With a display size of 6.53 inches, the Redmi Note 9 has quite a sizable screen. It features their full HD Plus IPS dot display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340. It's refreshing to see Redmi replace the dated dot drop notch design with a more modern punch hole setup, which is situated at the top left corner, unlike the Redmi Note 9S and 9 Pro where they're located at the center. You can find the power button and volume rocker keys on the right hand side, while on the left sits your dual nano SIM card tray along with a dedicated micro SD card slot. At the top, we get your signature IR blaster and the secondary noise cancelling microphone, while at the bottom we have your standard USB-C charging port, single bottom firing speakers, the primary mic, and the 3.5mm audio jack. Sweet! The Redmi Note 9 comes with the latest MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor with the Mali G52 GPU, which Redmi claims is 32% faster than the Redmi Note 8. Our unit sports 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage capacity, but there is also a more affordable variant with a 3 plus 64GB configuration. When it comes to software, tying everything together is their MIUI 11 skin, which is based on Android 10. For those who have already owned a Redmi, you'll feel right at home in this particular area. Heading over to the battery, we get a generous 5020 mAh capacity, which is probably what gives the phone its good heft. It also comes with 18 watts fast charging support out of the box. Heading back to the main shooter, we get a 48 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and another 2 megapixels for depth sensing, which we'll get into a little deeper in our full review. But for now, here are a few sample photos for you to check out. With its updated design coupled with a promising processor and GPU all packed into a familiar interface, this device seems to be the next bang for buck choice for those who are currently looking for a solid entry-level phone. The Redmi Note 9 is priced at 7,990 pesos for the 3 plus 64GB variant and 9,990 pesos for the 4 plus 128GB variant, and is available in all official online Mi stores including Lazada and Shopee. So what do you guys think of the Redmi Note 9? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, and stay safe.